This little Hawaiian dress is perfect for like all of your summer activities. It is easy to just throw on and run some errands. The little neck is really cute, has buttons all the way up. I love the black detailing under the buttons here. Has pockets, it's lined so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. It is a above the knee. The length is amazing, so you can still like chase your kids in it. The sleeves cover your arms, so I love that. I'm normally in between a small and a medium, and I took a small in this dress. I am 5'5", and you can see it is not short at all. It's a pretty pink color. It's great for summer. You can run your errands in it, go to parties, back porch parties. You could go to brunch in this dress. You could add just after you've been at the pool all day, pop this on. It'd be super cute to take on vacation with you. The color is really pretty, and this is like gonna be a summer go-to dress. We only have a few of these in stock, so go ahead and grab one before they all sell out. It's for sure to be a bestseller this summer.